Alright, so I haven't been in the shop for a while. I don't know how any of this is going to work, but instead of using a motor control board for DC motors, this is what I've been using. I don't know what this is. 220 volt motor speed controller for AC. Run into a bridge rectifier. I have it run through a choke just for, why not? Have it run through a bank of capacitors. There's 88,000 farads, 8,800 farads in here. Hooked up to a 110. I'm actually only pushing about 120 volts. So you only need about half of these. You need about 4,400 microfarads. If you're using a 220, you'd probably want to do the full 8,800. And you'd probably be overamping your motor too at 220 volts or 240 volts DC instead of 120.